welcome to my channel. I'm going to do the window modem change on first generation Tacoma. So the thing is on this door. When I insert the keys in, turn on position. When I take it out, so everything. Okay, look, when I flush it out, okay, when they go up, they don't do anything, they don't recognize anything. So what I'm going to do it, see that? Up and down. So they stuck on metal like this already. So what I'm going to do is take it up, two bolt inside here, the control monitor and the handle. So what I'm going to do is take it off, this one, the panel out of there, and the modem is right inside here, inside there. You see them? That's the modem. That's the motor inside there. So what we're going to do is, you see all the gear right there? So what you do is take it up, speaker and couple bolts, the whole panel right here and back there, the racket. So I'm going to change the modem, so I have to take it out, all the speaker out of there. So let me start it. All right, now it's about we test it. Okay. Okay. All right. If you guys like it, give me thumb up and subscribe below. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching this first generation Tacoma. So, yep. Thank you so much.